Before we check our new About page or our updated About page, I'm going to add one more because I think this one is important. It's not something that you maybe have a section for on your About page, but you will need to think about it, and it's the voice. What is your brand voice? So if you know who you're talking to, you know the type of things they're interested in, you might say we're bright, chirpy, perky. And what sort of things would you write if you're bright, chirpy and perky? I don't know. I don't feel very bright, chirpy or perky today, but it could be, hi guys, great to see you. Don't forget to click the videos. I don't know. Or you might say it's professional, vanilla, banal. Remember, you won't get much connection and engagement if you go for that, but we, the company, would like to announce that we have 2 new videos for engagement. Something boring. We could go for edgy and gritty. I have no idea what that sounds like. I guess some of the... Oh, I know who's edgy and gritty and with some humour is, I think, Red Bull or Lynx, someone like that. What else could we go for? Family and supportive. So lovely to see you, blah, blah, blah. All of these things are your voice, and if you can think through it, the way that you write is going to change. So it'll be I versus we. I did this, I did that, I'm going to offer you this, I'm going to give you this, or we will, or just simply third person, the company will, the organization will. Also, I think emotive voices, we use words like excited, we're inspired, we're think it's wonderful, those kind of words in your voice. It takes quite a lot to work through the voice, but once you've got it set up, then you'll know when you're writing your blog posts and your pages and putting your videos together and your photos and your content and everything, that it all fits to that voice. You don't want to wander off voice and move between these too much. There's something very strange when a company has a bright, chirpy, perky post or article 1 minute and then goes for professional, vanilla and banal the next. If you're interested in doing some research, have a look at bestaboutpages.com. And what they've done is they've collected the about pages from many, many websites to give you an idea about what a page could look like, and how inventive and creative you can be. So here's one about innovation. It's got pictures and images and quotes and telling people, we'll get your idea off the ground. Remember, what's in it for them, even though it's the about page. Learn about our methods, who we are, our value systems, and you can see all sorts of examples here. Now, I'm going to talk through how to embed images in the next lot of lectures, but I really think, bestaboutpages.com is a great place for you to start to think through some of these things. Last thing, I'm just going to go back to visual, check everything. I could do preview changes, but I'll click update. Once I've clicked update, now I go back to my about page and refresh, and I can see 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope you found that useful. I think working on your about page will take some time, but start at least with a couple of paragraphs that really clearly explain to your readers what's in it for them about and how they connect to you. So, this is who I am and this is why you'll want to connect with me because I'm going to do this for you, that sort of thing. And don't forget the call to action. A lot of about pages forget to include a call to action. Click here to sign up for the email newsletter, click here to look at our courses, click here to look at our products, whatever. Hey, I hope you found that interesting. Let me know in the discussion area if you've got any questions. I would love to read through your About page. I'm not a brilliant editor. I don't always pick up on spelling mistakes, but I do have a feel, I think, for the sort of voices that are coming through. So if you'd like me to have a look, put a link in the discussion area and I'll pop along to your blog and have a look. Thank you. Bye.